Are you feeling stuck? Do you have a goal that feels just out of reach, or a problem that keeps looping in your mind with no solution in sight? What if I told you there's a hidden control panel inside your own mind, a place where you can go to literally design your future, solve complex problems, and turn your biggest goals into your reality? It might sound like science fiction, but for over 50 years, millions of people around the world have been using a simple yet profoundly powerful technique to do just that. It's called the mirror of the mind, and it's one of the crown jewels of the world-renowned Silva Method. In this video, I'm not just going to tell you about this technique. I'm going to guide you through it step by step. By the end of our time together, you will have a practical tool you can use for the rest of your life to overcome challenges and manifest the life you truly desire. So find a comfortable seat, silence your notifications, and get ready to meet the architect of your own reality. You. Before we dive into the how, it's important to understand the why. The mirror of the mind was developed by a man named José Silva. He wasn't a guru or a mystic. He was a radio repairman from Laredo, Texas, with an insatiable curiosity about the human mind. Starting in the 1940s, Silva spent over 2 decades conducting rigorous research. He studied everything from psychology to electronics, and he became fascinated with brainwaves. He learned that our brains operate at different frequencies, much like a radio. When we're wide awake, alert, and dealing with the outside world like you are right now, watching this video, our brain is in a high-frequency state called beta. Beta is great for active thinking and doing, but it's also where we experience stress, doubt, and overthinking. It's the problem frequency. But there's another state, a calmer, more creative frequency that we all naturally pass through every day, right as we're falling asleep. And just as we're waking up, this is the alpha state. The alpha state is the bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind. It's a state of deep relaxation, but you're still awake and aware. In alpha, your mind is incredibly receptive to new information. It's a state of genius, heightened creativity, and super learning. José Silva's breakthrough was discovering how to enter this alpha state at will, and then how to use that state to actively program the mind for success. The mirror of the mind is the most elegant and effective of these programming techniques. It works because in the alpha state, you bypass the critical, doubting conscious mind and communicate your desires directly to the powerful, creative subconscious mind, the part of you that works behind the scenes to make things happen. Ready to try it? Let's begin. All right. This is the part where we put theory into practice. I'll be guiding you with my voice every step of the way. All you have to do is relax and follow my instructions. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or you can lie down. Just be careful not to fall asleep. Comfort is key. Now, gently close your eyes. We will now enter our relaxed alpha level of mind, using José Silva's 3-to-1 method. Take a deep, slow breath in, and as you exhale, mentally visualize the number 3 3 times. See it in your mind's eye. 3, 3, 3. The number 3 is the key to physical relaxation. Allow a wave of deep relaxation to flow through your body, from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. Let go of any physical tension. Just let it melt away. Now, take another deep, cleansing breath in, and as you exhale, mentally visualize the number 2 3 times. 2, 2. The number 2 is the key to mental relaxation. It allows you to let go of outside thoughts and concerns. If thoughts come, just gently observe them and let them drift by like clouds in the sky. You are moving to a level of mind where distractions fade away. And now, one more deep, peaceful breath in. And as you exhale, mentally visualize the number 1 3 times. 1, 1, 1. The number 1 is the key to entering your basic, creative, alpha level. You are now at a level of mind where you can learn, create, and program for success. To go even deeper, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will feel yourself drifting deeper into a more perfect, healthy level of mind. 10, 9, 8. Feeling yourself going deeper. 7, 6, 5. Deeper and deeper. 4, D, and 1. You are now at a deep, healthy, and creative level of mind. Deeper than before. This is your center, your inner sanctuary. Now in your mind's eye, I want you to become aware of a large screen. It's like a giant movie screen, positioned a few feet in front of you, slightly above your eye level. This is your mental screen. You have the power to project anything you wish onto this screen. For this exercise, I want you to think of a problem you're currently facing. It could be a financial challenge, a health issue, a difficult relationship, or a creative block. Choose one issue to work on right now. Once you have your problem in mind, I want you to project it onto your mental screen. And as you do, imagine a blue frame appearing around the image. See the scene clearly within this blue-framed mirror. See the problem as it currently is. See the people involved, the circumstances, the limitations. Just observe it for a moment. Like a detached scientist. Don't add emotion to it. Just acknowledge this is the current situation. Good. Now that you've acknowledged the problem, you are ready to let it go. Mentally, take your blue-framed mirror and slide it off to the left of your mental screen. Just push it aside. It's getting smaller and fading away. Now in the center of your mental screen, I want you to project a new, clean, empty mirror. And around this mirror, visualize a brilliant, glowing white frame. This white frame is charged with energy, potential, and success. In this white-framed mirror, you are going to create the solution. I don't want you to think about how the problem gets solved. I only want you to experience the end result. The problem is already gone. What does your life look like now? Let's build this scene together. See it? What do you see in the mirror? Do you see yourself smiling, healthy, and vibrant? Do you see the numbers in your bank account that you desire? Do you see yourself in a loving, harmonious relationship? Make the image bright, colorful, and vivid. Add details. What are you wearing? Where are you? Hear it. What sounds are associated with this solution? Is it the sound of laughter? The sound of praise from your boss? The sound of a doctor giving you a clean bill of health? Perhaps it's just the peaceful sound of silence, free from worry. Hear these sounds clearly. Feel it. This is the most important step. How do you feel now that this problem is solved? Feel the wave of relief washing over you. Feel the incredible joy bubbling up inside. Feel the deep sense of gratitude in your heart. Feel the confidence, the freedom, the peace. Let this feeling permeate every cell in your body. This feeling is the fuel that powers manifestation. Anchor this feeling. This is your new reality. Now make this image in the white-framed mirror bigger, brighter, more vivid, and more real than anything you've ever imagined. Let it fill your entire mental screen, completely dissolving any lingering trace of the old blue-framed image. This positive solution is your only reality. Live in it. Experience it fully. Whenever you think of this goal from now on, this is the image that will come to mind. The problem is in the past. The solution is now. Excellent. You have done wonderful work. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, your eyes will open, you will be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health. You will feel better than before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes open. Wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health. Feeling better than before. Welcome back. Take a moment to stretch and notice how you feel. You may feel calmer, lighter, and more optimistic. That is the feeling of your mind and body aligning with a positive new reality. You now have the fundamental technique. The key to making the mirror of the mind truly life-changing is consistency. Practice daily. Try to do this exercise once a day, perhaps in the morning when you're already in a natural alpha state, or at night before sleep. Start small. If you're new to this, start with a smaller, more believable problem, like finding a lost item or resolving a minor disagreement. As you see success, your belief will grow, and you can tackle bigger goals. Desire, belief, expectancy. José Silva taught that 3 things are necessary for manifestation. You must desire the outcome, you must believe it is possible, and you must expect it to happen. The mirror of the mind exercise is designed to build that belief and expectancy. Let go of the how. Your job is to focus on the end result, the what. Let your subconscious mind and the universe figure out the how. The solutions will often come to you in surprising and unexpected ways, through a sudden insight, an opportunity, or a coincidence. The mirror of the mind is more than just a relaxation exercise. It is a declaration to your subconscious mind that you are in charge of your life's direction. It is a way to move from being a passive passenger to being the active pilot of your own destiny. You have this incredible power within you. All it takes is a few minutes a day to tap into it. I truly hope this guided session has been valuable for you. If it has, please click the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to learn more incredible techniques for unlocking your mind's full potential, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And now, I want to hear from you. What problem are you going to solve? Or what goal are you going to achieve using the mirror of the mind? Let me know in the comments below. Sharing your intention is a powerful first step. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset. Learn to use it, and there is nothing you cannot achieve. Are you ready to transform your life in just 30 days? Positive affirmations to change your life in 30 days is your step-by-step guide to reprogramming your thoughts and unlocking a more confident, motivated, and successful version of yourself. For only $4.99, this powerful book gives you carefully crafted daily affirmations designed to boost your mindset, attract positivity, and help you break free from self-doubt. Whether you want to build self-love, achieve your goals, or create lasting happiness, this book gives you the daily push you need to finally start living the life you deserve. Start today. Your new reality is just one affirmation away.